So meta-analysis is statistical analysis which is described as a forest plot. The left side will show studies reviewed, the right side will show the effect. The area of each square indicates the weight of the study. The vertical line indicates the line of no effect, that is odd ratio of 1. If the confidence interval cross this line, then the study demonstrates no significant effect. The overall effect is demonstrated by a diamond, which is determined by the confidence interval of 95%. Now, heterogeneity is a problem which can arise when attempting to undertake a meta-analysis. Ideally, the studies which result are being combined in a meta-analysis should be undertaken in the same way and the same experimental protocols. Heterogeneity is a term used to indicate that this idea is not fully met. For example, we can combine apples even from different colors, red, green, and yellow, but we couldn't combine apple and oranges. So low heterogeneity is 0 to 25%, medium is 25 to 75%, and higher is more than 75%.